Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover Apple ID without number, password and email verification. So if you have forgotten your Apple ID password and now you want to recover your Apple ID, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Apple ID without number, email and password. So now let's get started how you can do that. So first of all, here you will need to tap on your Apple account. Then after that, here you will need to tap on here. Then after that, here you will need to enter your Apple ID Gmail account. So after that, here tap on this. Then after that, it is asking me for the Apple ID password. So here you will need to tap on forget your password. So after that, here you will need to enter your Apple ID Gmail account. Then tap on continue. So then here you need to enter your mobile phone number. So after that, here you need to enter your new mobile phone number. So after that, it will send a 6-digit code to this mobile phone number. Then after that, you will have to enter that code here. Then after that, your Apple ID will be recovered. And after that, you will be able to sign in your Apple ID on this iPhone device. So in this way, you can recover your Apple ID without any problem.